Select one underlined word or phrase that needs to be changed to make the sentence correct, or indicate that none of the underlined parts are in error. College communities such as Bloomington, Indiana, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and State College, Pennsylvania, are exploring their options for contesting the population counts, which they say does not accurately reflect how many people live there. Let's go through each choice to see if there's a mistake that needs correcting. B. Indiana, Tuscaloosa. This choice features a semicolon. Although a semicolon's main job is to separate independent clauses, it also has another function: to separate items in a list when those items include commas. In this case, each college community is separated from its state with a comma: Bloomington, Indiana, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and State College, Pennsylvania. It would be too confusing to have commas within the list items and commas to separate the list items, so instead we use semicolons to separate them, as we see here. As this is grammatically correct, we can mark this choice off. C. Which. Two words that often get confused with each other are which and that. Both can introduce clauses that add information about a noun, but what's the difference? Put simply, that is used for restrictive clauses, which are essential to the meaning of the sentence. Which is used for non-restrictive clauses, which add extra, non-essential information. In our sentence, the phrase, which they say does not accurately reflect how many people live there, is an extra detail about the population counts. It's not essential to identifying which population counts we're talking about. With this in mind, we can see that which is the correct word here, and we can mark this choice off. And D. Does not. The subject of the clause is population counts, in the plural. Therefore, the verb should also be plural. Instead of the singular does not, we need the plural do not to maintain the subject-verb agreement. The corrected sentence would read, the population counts, which they say do not accurately reflect how many people live there. As this choice has incorrect subject-verb agreement, we can go ahead and mark it as our final answer.